Hello there. This is a simple guide on how you can set up your TronLink Pro wallet. TronLink Pro is a safe, professional and reliable Tron wallet with amazing features like the ability to swap different cryptocurrency within the network. And also it's a cold wallet, means that it is actually much more safer from hackers and so many other things. Now, how do you start by installing TronLink Pro? The first thing you do is to go to your Play Store if you're using an Android, or you go to our Apple Store if you're using an iPhone, and just type in TronLink Pro, and this is the particular logo you want to see. The first thing you want to do is to click on Install. Now the moment you've installed it, the next thing you want to do is click on Open, and so it opens you to the interface. So what you want to do basically, if you are trying to import a wallet from an existing wallet, you can do that, but at this point we just want to create a new wallet. So all you just need to do is to click on Create Wallet, and then it brings you the terms and privacy policy which you are supposed to agree to, so you can check it out. And the next thing you want to do immediately is to click on I agree to the terms. Now the moment you do that, you want to key in your information. So you select what you want the name to be, and then you select your password. Your password need to have this following things to be able to be accepted. So you retype it again. This is just for security, okay? And then you now can create wallet. Now the moment your wallet is created, you want to back it up immediately. So you click on backup now. Alright, the moment you do that, now your seed phrases are very important. I would encourage you not to make a snapshot. What you want to do is to ensure anytime you have a seed phrase like this, you want to keep it in a secured location. Have it like in 3 different places and manually write them down and keep them in a place that you can easily recall when need be. So the first thing you want to do is to take note of your seed phrase and have them put somewhere secure. Now the moment you've grabbed your seed phrase, the next thing you want to do is to click already backed up. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is it brings you this part to verify your mnemonics, and so what you want to do is whatever is asked of you, you follow the patterns to ensure that you have the right seed phrase there. So your sixth phrase, you actually click on it and then move to the next step. You look for your third seed phrase, you click on it and then you move to the next step. And then you look for your the next seed phrase it requires of you, and then you click on it, and then that's done. So, and then you now have been able to open up your wallet. Now you can use the plus sign to add as many wallets as you want to add. So this is a simplified way on how you can set up your TronLink Pro wallet.